This is the AP Chemistry review for topic 1.5, Atomic Structure and Electron Configuration. Our prompt is asking us to write the complete ground state electron configuration for tin, Sn. So this is element number 50 on your periodic table. And we're going to first write this in our full-length electron configuration. So we're going to start off with our first subshell in order. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, and lastly 5p2 because it's element number 50. And another way to express the electron configuration would be to use the shorthand method. And we're going to have to use the nearest noble gas. So that would be krypton, our previous closest and previous noble gas. And we're going to continue by saying 5s2, 4d10, and lastly 5p2. And that's it.